So Tara, I wonder what is the last project before the exam.
Okay, so for the last project in 7th grade, it's a water plant from 7B. Yeah,
So what is the meaning of water plant?
that's automatic for watering the plant.
How it works?
That's the Arduino for the coding. You can coding in Arduino Uno, and you can watering the plant with the pump.
So it like you must wire it
Yes,
and using the Arduino app to operate the water plant.
yes. And if you don't know how to make it, yeah, just use YouTube. I think that is.
How you normally use what application to do the coding for Arduino?
Yes, that's a Arduino Uno.
The application code
Yes,
in
that's the
laptop.
name. Yes, the Arduino code.
So we use the Arduino as the version for the water plant.
Yes, can, because the board with the Arduino Uno.
And uses some kind of water pump to pump the water into the plant. And what do we must do after make the water plant?
Yes.
So we must like find dirt
Yes,
to take.
the not the wet dirt. Not the wet dirt. We need the dry dirt.
Oh, so like there is the measure like you must insert it to the dirt.
Yes, there is the sensor for censoring that the dry or wet.
So if the sensor detect the dirt is wet, it cannot pump the water, but if dry, pump the water.
Yes, that's correct.
So the water pump, like if the dirt is dry, so he will pump the water until empty.
Yes,
Oh,
because that is automatic. We not with the water from anywhere for watering that plant.
about the before the projects before water plant, do we must do anything about IT, Kimia or English?
Before water plant is there is a drone telo from 7B exactly.
So how does what is the name of Donatello?
So this drone, the mini drone, that's it's so cheap if you want to buy, and you can code that from scratch telo. Yes, and you can control it from handphone.
So if you wanna get the scratch Tello, get it from where?
From IDE.
Oh, so you must code it and connect your laptop to the drone, and then you code using Scratch.
Yes, use Wi-Fi.
So what's the project about the Donatello? What we must do?
You just explaining about the code, and then uh, uh, try to move the drone and record like that.
So like you drive control the drone, like there is any challenges or something that you must press.
That just like there is the block in here, and we need to go below that, and then turn around and then again like that.
What about India or English projects?
India is uh, if India I forget, but if English the last is podcast like this thing.
Oh, sorry. The podcast is the last project before exam.
Yes, if you cannot finish that, yeah, you cannot accept it.
But I heard that there is the target from Ustad Khairul to if you wanna finish the exam. What is
uh, uh, I don't know, I think
like dua when starting prayer or like iftitah like that?
oh yeah,
So that is a must, is a obligate to do it before exam.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the questions. Yes.
Okay. Thank you too.